Hello everyone, welcome to External Diecast channel. My name is Marek, as you already know, and today I will be unboxing and reviewing this nice Chevy Camaro Z28 RS Daytona Yellow 984 from 1970. And as you can see, I bought this one from Automobile. It's a limited series, actually only 999 pieces were produced. I have some pictures here. I can also make it larger. So before I unbox it here, just look at that in this yellow color. And I saw that one for the first time in this toy fair in Nuremberg, where they introduced this nice 1:12 scale model. There is some kind of description here, also product details. 999 limitation. It's a coupe Chevrolet young timer. Release date is already last year, but actually only now they came. So I ordered this one like a month ago, maybe 2 weeks ago, and it just came in. And today we will just review it here and also compare it to the real thing, which is here actually. Look at that. So this is the real car, and of course we will compare the picture to what is here in the box. So very interesting now what we will see. So now let's open this G085, a huge box, because of course it's from it's actually in 1:12 scale, so it's also heavy, and we should not expect any openings here on this model. And let's then check it out. So this unboxing can be really a bit longer than usual. We have this nice white box inside of this brown box, and it's always difficult to somehow take it out, but we will manage. Don't worry. All right, so we have this one. Oh, it's really heavy, and look at that. We have also the picture here, the same picture as we saw, for example, here. So the question now is it really the picture of the model here or of the real thing, which is, for example, here? And I think that we have more pictures there. We will just check it out. That's great. I can really compare now the model to the real car, which is always a nice experience. All right, so we have this styrofoam box, and now, okay, we have also screws. So there are 3 screws we will need to remove, and maybe somebody already checked the content of this box, because this sticker here was easy to remove, so probably somebody already removed it before. All right, that's the model here. Look at how huge it is. I will just take the camera and make some close shots, and so that you see for the first time maybe the size and also the color and everything. So but now what we will really do, I want to keep this one on, so the display will be on. But now what I usually do when I have such a big, huge, heavy model, I just reverse it upside down, and then I remove the screws, and I will just do the same now. So with this tiny screwdriver, I hope it will be enough. It should be quite enough. So now I will remove the screws. In the end, I had to use this one because it was so difficult to remove it with the tiny one. So sorry, the electric one is much better. So screws are removed. Now let's put it upside down again. All right, here we go. So this is the model now upside down. I will just take it out of the box. Oh, a little bit styrofoam particles remain. Oh, and there are so many, like this small thing. Look at that. Every time when I see something like this, I'm asking, oh, what is that? And where is it missing? Where did it come from? So it's really tiny, but I will just keep it here, and hopefully I will not be missing it anywhere. All right, so now let's reverse it. It's heavy, God. All right, let's put it aside a little bit here. Okay, the paint and everything, it should be really easy to clean it, but all right, so now let's really put it to a test. Let's review it, yeah? And maybe we should really start like that, yeah? So the front, how to show it to you in the best possible way, yeah? So I will just do this, and now we will maybe compare it a little bit, yeah? So look at that, yeah? So here we have the original, and of course the license plate is here, but we don't have it on this car in the front. It says California and so on and so on. And then we have this Z28 somewhere, yeah, it maybe here on this one, it's somewhere, I would say, in the middle, while here on the model it's more on the top, yeah? So I don't know if this is intentional or not, but let's live with that. Okay, then, oh wow, there is a hole here, and actually the hole is also here, yeah, so look at that, it's this black part is also here. I was first wondering, is it real or not, but here it's as well. The lights, I would say they are pretty good. Also the turning indicators, yeah, you don't see that, but let's put it here this way, yeah, so the turning indicator, same. The front grille, yeah, kind of, it's okay. Then we have this emblem or symbol here, and overall, I mean the color, I think this is really okay. Let me also check if there is something else that would be different on the real one, but I don't see any flaws. Wow, the paint is really nicely executed, polished. It's beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so let's go next. Next thing is, of course, the rear part of the car, and you see here again some details on the picture, the real car, and let's also check it out here on the model itself. Yeah, so maybe I need to change the camera angle again a little bit so that you really see that. On the real thing, there is nothing on the license plate, while here we have again this California and so on. Oh, it's so super heavy. Maybe, yeah, it's really super heavy. But then the lights, everything seems to be correct. Maybe here they are more into white color. I mean, the two middle rear lights are a little bit brighter here on the model, while here on the real thing it's almost the same red as those two lights on the outside. But then we have this fender which is nice, polished, shiny, in this chrome, and this is really beautiful. Okay, and then we have here a little Camaro written here. Look at it, this Camaro, and I think this is also nicely done. We don't see it on the picture, but I believe it's there. The exhausts are here as well, yeah, the same as on the picture. So we have two exhausts, one on each side. Then the key fob here, yeah, everything is okay. And then, of course, this Z28, now I forget the exact number, is it 28? It looks like. And it's the same also here. All right, so what else? Do we have some more pictures? Maybe just to compare that. All right, we have this one, the side view, but nothing really new. The front view, side view, again. The engine, yeah, so unfortunately we cannot really see this beautiful engine on the model because of one reason. This is a sealed model made of resin, and of course the engine bay and everything here, oh, it's so big it doesn't fit the camera anymore. Yeah, but unfortunately you can't really open it. It's good for displaying the model only. But let's now put it here aside a little bit. And moving the camera. Yeah, so look at that. The engine is only here on the picture. I believe this is the V8. And here again, we have some nice interior. And let's maybe also check out the interior. Yeah, we have the brown decoration here. The brown trim, it's made of wood, I believe, a real wood, because it's from 1970, so I don't think it would be artificial wood. I believe it's real wood, as they used it in the last century, I mean the 20th century. And let's have a look also here inside, if we can see something. But here obviously this wooden trim is not in place, no wood here, everything is black. Also the steering wheel with the black decoration, so no, here it's not there. And the seats, gray and black. Yeah, so this is what is here on the model. So don't expect miracles. Yeah, so this is what we have. Maybe it would be a little bit more accurate here on the model, so it would be really this nice brown, but they don't do it. All right, as I said, the model has gray and black. Here we have everything in black. Yeah, so maybe it would be really nicer to have those panels, the door panels and everything more decorated. And then we have the spare tire and in the trunk, which you can't again open on the model. But I will tell you guys one thing, yeah? And this is something I should have mentioned in the beginning maybe. It's the price of this beautiful 1:12 scale model. The price was so affordable, it's 130 euro or US dollars maybe as well. All right, this is maybe one of the cheapest 1:12 models on the market, and it's so heavy and nice. I was not hesitating any single minute to buy this one, because, you know, usually models like this are made of diecast or metal. They are like 400 and above. This one had the same price as usual 1-18 models, and I was like, all right, I need to have it in my collection because it's so damn cheap. So that's really plus 10 points just for the price. Okay, but let's now continue a little bit here with those pictures. And okay, so this is the vintage car. Oh, now you can see myself for a moment in the reflection. All right, so I mean, okay, no more pictures, no more. And is there the price for which it was sold? No, I don't see the final price of this auction. Unfortunately, I don't see that, yeah. But you see all the details here. That's the real thing. What do they say about the engine? Not much here. Okay. Goodyear polyglass tires. And okay, so what do we have actually on this car? I didn't show you yet the tires, but it looks like, yeah, also Goodyear, and it says polyglass, okay, CT F6015. So it's exactly the same tires, and you see that you can spin the wheels here, which is good. We also have the side mirrors and the door handles and the key fob, yeah. So in the past the key fob was there, nothing was really automatic, and yeah, you had to use your keys, like, I mean, the physical key, not just a card like nowadays. Okay, now also we can spin the rear wheels. Unfortunately, we cannot turn them, yeah, so we cannot do that. It's not connected to the steering wheel. But maybe what you are also interested is really the details of the undercarriage. Yeah, so I need to be careful now. All right. Auto 1-12. Here we see that this is Chevy Camaro and limitation. Oh, so what is the number? 388 out of 999. What I love about this plate here is that it's not really written by hand, it's really manufactured. Yeah, so this serial number is here, 388. Now I really trust it and believe it, because sometimes they write it by hand and it's not so authentic. So here really, if this is a manufactured piece, I am really satisfied. All right, so now I think enough was said about this car. It's really a nice replica. It looks realistic. Also the proportion and everything, very well executed. I don't see any flaws here. Yeah, to be honest, I don't see any flaws anywhere. Maybe yet, yeah, I should say yet. Maybe later I will see something that is not really nice. But at the moment, I would give it, yeah, maybe 8 out of 10, because I'm only missing some of the opening parts, like opening doors. But I understand that, yeah, for this price, of course, I should not expect it. I should not expect things like that, but I still do. Good, so now I think it will go to my shelves somewhere, and I know where actually, yeah? So look at that, I made space here just next to this Dodge, and it will be either on the left or right side, and then I have two nice Porsche cars here just below. So yeah, now the 1 to 12 scale models are occupying more and more space in my shelves, yeah, so that's also something different. You see here also this whole column here is 1 to 12. I have now quite many. Yes, they are expensive, but also they are such a nice thing to collect, and you also see them from the distance, yeah, so you don't need to go always closer to the model to really enjoy it. I can be like 5 meters away and I can still see this nice car from 1970, very beautiful, and it reminds me a little bit of Pontiac here, yeah, so the front face looks more like a Pontiac, a company which was already dissolved. But still, we have the memories. All right, good. So thank you for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoy. Please subscribe to this channel, because otherwise you will not be informed when I publish something new. Yeah, and of course there will be more models on this channel. I review them on a regular basis. So thank you for watching, and if you subscribe, then I will see you next time. Bye bye.